Oh, we got a quick and easy one this time. This is one you're gonna do at your kid's birthday party.
I show up.
Yeah.
And quick and easy.
Damn
You
right.
doubt my magical skills?
Well, for the moment, you are the world's greatest wizard in the making, Rex Williams of the Whiskey Tribe, and I'd like to introduce you to my friend Alan Paoletti of the Magic
hello.
Minute.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
All right, take it away, Alan. What do you got?
Okay, so I got $2 bills.
Yep.
And we're just gonna put them back to back like this. And I'm gonna give you the scissors here, Rex, and I want you to cut straight like that.
I got this.
Just miss my fingers.
Right there?
Yeah,
Like
nice,
that.
good.
Right.
Cut.
Bam.
Clean.
Yeah.
You cut them in half, right?
Yeah, cut the hell out of it, you son of a bitch.
All right, I did it.
All right. What happened?
Rex, it's not often I see you like genuinely frustrated in your eyes and in your heart. Like I have the feeling that you're a little bit sincerely, magically butthurt.
I was like this close.
Yes.
I cut the thing.
Yes.
I saw the overlapping of the thing, and the blades of the scissors went through the thing.
They sure did.
And then the thing wasn't cut.
Is this all a long way of saying you were fooled very badly and you would like to know the answer?
I know. No. But
We could just end the episode right there.
for
then.
everybody else, let's learn what happened.
All right, so where does this come from?
I learned this from Encyclopedia of Magic by Mark Wilson, but it dates even earlier than that. All you need is a little bit of setup. You need rubber cement.
Oh.
That's it.
Okay.
So if you go ahead and take one of those bills and try to pull it apart there, Rex,
Fair
doesn't
enough.
that just piss you off? So you have to be careful if you do this because you're going to you actually have one half of each bill.
Sure. So in the reveal, you see that it's connected, but you never actually give it tension and pull it apart.
Well,
you just pull it
yeah.
apart after people see, oh no, it's the same piece
Oh,
of paper.
by the- yeah, blah, blah, blah.
okay,
Well, and
all right.
what's great is that our brains are really good at making those logical leaps. Like
Yeah.
you get to that point, you're like, well, I've already been fooled. What's the point of examining anything?
Right.
And of course, the point would have been you could have known.
So I got this rubber cement from a gas station, but any rubber cement will work.
Okay. It's like it's about the amount of tension of a sticky note.
So it's really, really simple. All you have to do is exactly the same thing on both bills. You go on the back of each bill, and you normally would have like a brush for this, but I'm just gonna use my finger. And you just put a little strip on the back of each.
I would have thought that you would need like new bills or fresher bills or something, but it seems like ragged bills actually
They
kind of work
fine.
even better.
Yeah. So I'm just smearing that with my finger. You normally do that with a brush, but you just want a nice margin of error for where they cut.
The only thing that made me a little bit nervous is trusting the person who's cutting it, because I would have feared
To get in the middle.
that they would go kind of sideways, and then you would have two
You
lopsided
can
bills.
mediate that a little bit by kind of having your fingers pretty far into the bill, so that
Oh,
way
that's
they
great.
have to cut there. Otherwise,
Right.
they're going to cut you, and if they're doing that, you don't want to do magic.
That's
You
great.
realize we've been drinking. That was.
It was a bold maneuver. Okay, so
Something about your eyes. I trust you.
let's see what it looks like when Rex is the wizard.
Oh, all right, I got this. Y'all ready for some magics?
Yeah, I am.
Now, cut this.
Yep. Oh,
Do it
since
good.
there's so
You
much.
don't look.
Okay, all right,
Oh,
all
I
right.
see.
Here we go. Ready?
Okay, and I'll demonstrate. Look, it's the same thing. Don't look too closely.
So that is, we were generous with the rubber cement the second time. So I feel like you can get a little bit closer to that edge. You can get look at that.
Yeah,
can
you go
get
pretty far.
almost to where it's just like clearly folded on there.
And then it looks just like a really aggressive fold.
Yeah,
'Cause it looks like
exactly.
a sharp fold there.
It's an origami fold.
Yeah.
All right, how'd you like that one?
On a scale of 1 to what?
Kangaroo.
I don't know, not quite wallaby.
Not quite wallaby. All right.
I'm going chinchilla.
All right. I'll take it, man. Dude, thank you so much. Alan, where can we see so much of your amazing work?
You can see me at the Magic Minute right here on YouTube.
Bye.